Hello friend, welcome back to the K-Design channel. In this video, we're going to work on our first project and get familiar with what a frame is, so you can have a clear idea of how to design an app, whether it's for a website or mobile. Let's jump right in. Open your Figma software, and once this page appears, select New Design File. Alright, this is the Figma workspace as of 2004. This year, Figma underwent a major redesign of its UI, from looking like this to now looking like this. Okay, the first thing we're going to learn is to recognize the basic tools often used in the process of creating UI designs for apps or websites. The toolbar is located right here. The first tool we have is the Move tool, represented by this arrow icon. This is the basic tool for selecting objects. It allows you to click and drag objects, move layers, and control everything on the canvas. If you've used other design software before, this works like the standard selection tool. Next to the Move tool icon, there's a small arrow. Clicking it will reveal a few more options. One of them is the Hand tool, a simple yet useful tool for navigating the canvas. Instead of scrolling or zooming, just hold the spacebar and drag the canvas wherever you want with ease. Then we have the Scale tool. When clicked, you can adjust the size of any object you want without changing the object's original proportions. Next up is the Frame tool. This tool is crucial because frames are the foundation of your design. They act like artboards in other software, and you can use them to create containers for your UI elements. Whether you're designing for mobile, web, or custom sizes, this is where you start. When you click the Frame tool, several device types will appear for you to choose from to start your UI design. There are options like phones, tablets, desktops, and more. We'll try selecting a phone device. Here, we have iPhone frames from the iPhone 8 to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Below the iPhone frames, there are also Android frames. The next tool is the Rectangle tool. If you click the arrow next to it, several more tools will appear, like Line, Arrow, Ellipse, Polygon, Star, and Add Image. We'll learn how to use these tools in the next video. After that, we have the Pen tool and the Pencil tool, which we will also cover in the next video. Next to the Pen tool is the Text tool, which is used to provide information in a website project. Then we have the Comment tool. You can use this tool to leave comments like, "Why is this image blurry?" Or, "The font size used here is too small." This feature is useful for communicating directly with other designers or developers working on the same project, commonly referred to as collaborative design. There's also the Action tool, which allows you to access several options like Find and Replace, Select All, and more, which we'll go through one by one later. The Action tool also allows us to use plugins, widgets, and assets to make designing apps or websites easier. Now that we're familiar with each tool, let's start creating a project. The first step is to name our project. You can name your project here. Let's call it Learning UI Design. Okay, after that, we'll create a frame to hold our design. To do this, click the frame icon, or you can press F on your keyboard. A list of frames will appear. Since we're designing for mobile, we'll select a phone device. Choose one of the phone frames, and we'll go with the iPhone 13 and 14. A new artboard will appear like this. You can only design within the frame, and not in the black area. Why is that? Because when we present our design, only what's inside the frame will appear in the presentation, and anything outside the frame will not be visible. To duplicate a frame, you can use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Or simply press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Another way is to press Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, then drag the frame you want to duplicate. Next, we can give each frame a name. For example, we'll name them Login, Register, and Homepage. Alright, We'll continue in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more UI/UX design content. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next class. See you in the next video, and keep improving your design skills with K-Design.